दोस्तों हमारे चैनल बी ब्लॉग में आपका स्वागत है। 5 व्यक्ति आज हम पढ़ाने जा रहे हैं रिएक्टर इंटरमीडिएट फ्री रेडिकल ए बी आर ए बी ए माइनस बी प्लस होमोलिटिक बॉन्ड फ्यूजन क्लीवेज बी ए प्लस बी माइनस कार्बोकेटन कार्बन फ्री रेडिकल आर पैरामोलिटिक स्पीसीज कंटेनिंग an atom or group of atom with one or more odd pair of electron. First paramagnetic, second neutral, R C O C double O R 2 R C double O carboxylate. The homolytic bond fusion of CH bond shared electron pair is distributed equally to each atom. These species of formed non-homolytic bond fusion are very reactive and are called free radicals. R add electron molecule CH3 CH3 HCH3 plus H3 hydrogen free radicals. Some free radicals are CH chlorine molecule in presence of sunlight for free radical. Photochemical decomposition of acetone gives free radical. Tetramethyl lead at high temperature decomposes into free radical. Cl2 Cl plus Cl minus. Cl free radical in the presence of light. CH3 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 CO2 CH3 4 plus Pv at high temperature Pv plus 4 CH3 R C in C R is greater than HCRR is greater than RCH2 is greater than CH2. Carbocation like CX, the electronegativity are more than C atom. The heterolytic and fusion of the CX bond occurs and shared CX C plus X minus. Heterolytic fusion protonation of olefins, decomposition of diazo compounds RCRRRX. Protonation is C double bond or C HH methyl group is an electron releasing group according to physical concept. Stability of charge system increases with distribution of charge contribution. From the physical and chemical properties of the carbocation, it is clear that more the alkyl group attached positively charged iron carbon return Hofmann methylation RNHH plus ICH3 RNCH3IH CH3I RNCH3 CH3 plus HI फिर CH3 RNCH3 CH3 CH3 quaternary greater than Ag2M G2OMX AgOH AgI plus RNCH3 CH3 CH3 R synthesis of nicotine C benzene C double O C2H5 plus CH2 C double O CH2 C double O CH2 CH2 C double O CH2 C2H5 C2H5ON C2H5OH benzene. Nicotine is colorless liquid. Boiling point of nicotine is 246 degrees Celsius. Nicotine is soluble in water, ether, and alcohol. Naturally occurring nicotine is laboratory N C double O C2H5 CH2 C double O C2H5 CH2 C double O C2H5 I2H5OH R C2H5OH benzene nitrobenzene plus OCH2 OC2H5 CH2 C double O C2H5 2ISCl2 C2H5OH CH3CO double OH C2 minus CO2 CH2 C double OH CH2 double bond O C double bond O C2H5OH HCl CH2 minus CH2 C double bond O benzene C2H C2H5 minus H2 CH3 H2 benzene C double bond N CH3 CH2 CH2 C double bond O C2H5 H2 nickel reduction के लिए CHNH3 NCH3 CH2 CH2 minus C double O C2H5 N benzene methyl benzene form CH2H5OH CH N benzene C double bond N CO CH2 CH2 LiAlH4 H2 and benzene N upon CH3 benzene upon benzene CH3. Synthesis of piperine. It is pale yellow crystalline solid wood with pungent odor and burning of taste. OH benzene plus CHCl ONaOH dimer reaction. CHO CH2I2 N2OH NaOH CH2OO benzene CHO CH3 CHO NaOH CH2OO benzene Cl CH3CO2 whole twice CH3COO CH2 OH CH2OO benzene Ca double bond CH single bond CH double bond CH single bond COOH. Types of carbonation carbenes. CHS plus carbocation CHC free radical HH minus 3 bond pair plus 1 node pair 8 octet L negative charge. Radical 3 bond plus 1 electron carbene. SEA 7 electron in outer cell. Types of carbene B orbital ion. Philip sp2 hybrid orbital triplet or singlet. sp hybrid sp2 orbital singlet. Chlorobenzene Dow reaction C6H5Cl plus NaOH 2 sodium 30 degrees Celsius C6H5OH plus NaCl reaction with NH3 C6H5Cl2 plus CH2O plus 2 NH3 heat Np at the temperature is equal to C6H5NH2 plus CH2I2 reaction with NaNH2 C6H5Cl NaNH2 liquid NH3 C6H5NH2 plus NaCl substitution by C6H5 ClCu Cn and sodium ATM C6H5Cn plus HCl reaction with sodium methoxide C6H5Cl NaOH CH3 Cu salt 2 C6H5O CH3 plus NaCl reaction with magnesium C6H5Cl plus Mg tetrahydrofuran C6H5MgCl phenol magnesium tetrahydrofuran carbon ion is the negatively charged in which negative charge on the carbon atom of radicals and it has 8 electrons in the outermost. Peptides amino acid have the are the carbonyl attached to the same carbon atom. Exception GABA H2N COOH are such an R group amino. Crude drugs alphabetical classification, taxonomical classification, morphological classification, pharmacological classification, chemical classification, chemonomical classification, serial taxonomical classification. It is simplest way of classification in which the dice are arranged in alphabetical of their Latin and English name. Merit is and quick in use, effective, no repetition of drug. Demerit nature of the drug cannot be identified. Original source is not clear. Acacia aqua benzene. Taxonomical drugs in which drugs are arranged according to the ring-done phylum, color, family, quinine, and species. Morphological organized from part of the plants. Unorganized drugs derived from the part of plant. Dried latex, opium, gums, glass, acacia, dried juice, aloe, dried extract, agar, resins, oleosin, deeper things, mechanism of nitration. Benzene plus HN3 H2SO4 NO2 plus H2 step generation of electrophile H2SO4 plus HO and NO2 equal to SO4 plus NO2 plus NHOH HH plus NO2 H2O plus NO2 plus चित्र attack of electrophile से benzene पर O minus plus NO2 plus NO2 H plus HNO2 plus HNO2 फिर plus फिर NH2 benzene Cl2 and hydroxyl Cl3 benzene Cl chlorobenzene plus HCl sulfonation, benzene plus H2SO4 SO3 oleum, and presence of heat SO3 SO3H benzene H2O Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction, benzene plus HCl anhydrous HCl3 in the presence of benzene plus HCl Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction, benzene RCuCl anhydrous HCl3 heat COR plus HCl benzene plus RCO2 whole twice O COR plus RCOOH from soda lime sodium salt carboxyl plus soda lime NaOH plus CH3COOH CH3COOH plus NaOH at CaO calcium oxide 300 degrees Celsius and Na2CO3 plus CH4 sodium extract sodium ethanate collected by donor pair this water decarboxylation from alkyl halide H3C minus I plus 2H HI plus CH4 low methane methyl iodide C2H5 C2H6 C2H5 I plus 2H and Zn dilute HCl HI plus C2H6 from metal chloride C4 aluminum carbene plus T steam equal Al4C3 KH2O 3CH4 plus old reaction CH3Cl plus 2Na plus Cl CH3 together solvent 2NaCl 2H6 ethane color of triphospholanthanide ions color in the solid as well as in the aqueous solution. The color depends on the number of unpaired electrons present in pore orbital or origin of color due to the effect of transition absorption of light in visual region. Colorless ions absorb in the ultraviolet or IR region. This results in transition of decimal from the lower energy Fourier orbitals is the higher energy or Fourier orbital have color which is complementary to the color absorbed light La3 plus colorless NO0 C3 plus 1 colorless Br3 plus 2 green NCNND3 plus 3 pink PM3 plus 4 pink yellow SM3 plus 5 unpaired yellow EU3 plus 0.6 pale pink GD3 plus 7 colorless TH3 plus 8 6 pale pink TY3 plus 9 5 yellow HO plus 10 4 pink yellow ER3 plus 11 3 pink 2M3 plus 12 2 pink YB plus 3 1 colorless LU plus 3 14 0 colorless orange red color of CE4 L2M transition yellow color of plus M2L transition comparison between DD transition and FF transition because of the 4F electrons are much less attracted by ligand electron. The electron in the d orbitals of transition metal ions in their complex, hence selection rules are more strictly followed for transition in the compound of the both amides than in the compounds of the transition metals. LS57 CE58 PR59 ND60 PM61 SM62 EU63 GD64 TB65 PY66 67 HO ER68 TMX69 YB77 LU71 187 X 183 182 181 181 0199 178 177 1617 174 173 156 106 13 103 101 99 96 95 492 96 88 87 66 35 decreasing in atomic radii and ion radii with increasing atomic number atomic size प्रथम upon nuclear charge shielding effect is directly proportional to atomic charges cadmium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, ferrous, cobalt. In peace, copper, zinc, 188, 130, 60, 140, 137, 127, 168, 126, 125, 124, 124, 130. YZR, NB, NMO, TC, RU, RH, PDAG, 180, 160, 146, 139, 136, 134, 134, 134. LAH, 187, 158, TH, 146, LOE, 139, RE, 137, OES, 35, IR, 136, PT, 108, AU, 11, HG, 57. LaOH authorized LaOH authorized more basic less covalent ion character more ionic give easily OH in the aqueous solution. Still basic more covalent does not give OH in the solution aqueous solution. Hydroxide of lanthanide are strong to make than COOH. La57 plus 2 plus 3 XCF 4F plus 5D plus 6S2 C plus 3 plus 4 C 4F 1 5D 1 6S2 58 57 PR 58 59 PR plus 3 plus 4 XCF 4F 3 5D 6 6S2 60 ND plus 2 plus 3 plus 5 XC 4F 4 5D 6S2 61 plus 3 XCF 4F 5 5D 0602 61 plus 2 plus 3 XC 5F 5 4F 6 5D 06S2 62 63 plus 2 plus 3 4 4F 7 5D 6S2 64 3 plus 3 XE 4F 8 5D 6S2 65 TB plus 3 XC 4F 9 5D 6S2 66 plus 2 plus 3 XC 4F 10 5 10 Newton plus S2 67 HO plus 3 plus 1 4 XC 4F 11 5D 6S2 68 ER plus 3 XCF 4F 12 5D 10 5S2 69 TM plus 2 plus 3 XE 4F 12 4F 5D 6S2 70 Y plus 2 plus 3 X AX E 4F 13 5D 10 6S0 71 LU plus 3 XE 4F 14 5D1 6 5D1 6S6S2 EU plus 2 XE 4F 7 CE plus 4 XE plus 4F 0 CE plus 2 XEF 4F 2 SM plus 2 XCF 4F 6 PR plus 4 XCF 4F 1 PY plus 4 X2 4F 8 YB2 XE 4F 14 TB plus 4 XCF 4F 7 ND2 XE 4F 15 TM plus 2 XCF 4F 13 ND plus 4 XC4 F2 SM2 plus is good reducing agent C plus 4 is good oxidizing and PR plus and TB plus 4 are even more powerful oxidizing agent. Electronic pressure of lanthanide serum bohemian niobium PM SM EU EDTV 5I XE SC XC TM ERTMYB LU। धन्यवाद दोस्तों, चैनल को लाइक सब्सक्राइब और शेयर करना मत भूलिएगा। धन्यवाद दोस्तों, आज यहीं तक।